Hello everyone. My name is Mohsin Kamal. Today, I will show you how to make the most affordable and smart voice AI assistant using ESP32 S3, without any coding. This AI bot can talk with you, tell jokes, and answer your questions. In this video, we will learn how to connect the components, how to do the wiring, and how to flash the firmware step by step. This is the easiest method, and you can easily change the language of this bot. This firmware supports more than 36 languages. Watch the video till the end, you can make it too. Let's get started.
Hi ESP.
हाँ बोलो, मैं सुन रहा हूँ। चलो तुम्हें बताता हूँ क्या मैग्जा है मेरे अंदर। मैं तुम्हें स्कर्दू का मौसम बता सकता हूँ, समय बता सकता हूँ, गाने चला सकता हूँ, वॉल्यूम कंट्रोल कर सकता हूँ।
अभी क्या टाइम हो रहे हैं?
अभी का समय है 1:49 और आज है 12 मई मंगलवार। कुछ ऐसा करें जो दिन यादगार बना दे।
First, let's talk about the components. The first thing we need is the Seed Studio Xiaozhi ESP32 S3. This is the brain of the project. In this project, I am using the Seed Studio Xiaozhi ESP32 S3. If you want me to make this project using ESP32 DevKit V1, ESP32 S30, or other microcontrollers, let me know in the comments. If this video gets a good response, I will make more versions too. We also need 0.96-inch OLED display to show the face. MAX98357 AI 2S amplifier, for sound output. INMP441 microphone module, for voice input. Small 3W or 5W speaker. And some jumper wires and a breadboard. So friends, the connections are now complete. I will add the circuit diagram in the video description, so you can download it from there. Now the next step is firmware flashing. For this, you need a Type-C USB cable. Make sure it supports data transfer. A charging-only cable will not work. Connect the ESP32 S3 board to your PC or laptop using that cable. Now we will flash the firmware. I will explain the full process in the next step. Now friends, flash the firmware. Step 1. First, open the folder where you saved the firmware files. Here you will see a file named flash code or something similar. Open that file. Step 2. Inside the file, you will see something like COM38 or another port number. You need to change it to your ESP32 port number. Step 3. How to find the port number. Open Device Manager on your PC. Go to Ports, COM and LPT, and check which COM port your ESP32 is connected to. In my case, it was COM5, so I will write COM5 here. Step 4. Now copy the full line of code. Step 5. Inside the firmware folder, click the address bar at the top, type CMD, and press enter. Step 6. A CMD window will open. Paste the line you copied and press enter. Step 7. That's it, the flashing process will start. Wait a little, and it will complete automatically.
Enter the Wi-Fi configuration mode.
Now open the Wi-Fi settings on your mobile phone or PC. You will see a network with a name like Xiaozhi. Select that network and connect to it. After connecting, open your browser and type this address. 192.168.4.1. Now you will see a list of available Wi-Fi networks. Select your home Wi-Fi, enter the password, and press the connect button. That's it. In 2 to 4 seconds, the device will connect to your Wi-Fi network. You will see a message like, connected. Open your mobile or laptop browser and go to Xiaozhi.me. Go to the control console and log in using your phone number. After logging in, click on Add Device. When you connected the Wi-Fi earlier, a 6-digit verification code was shown on the device screen. Enter that code here and click Confirm. Now click on Configure Role. On the new page, in Basic Info, give your device a good name, like Jarvis. In Language, select your preferred language. In Role Introduction or System Prompt, paste your custom role. I will paste the Jarvis role here. Here you can define the assistant's personality using a custom system prompt. Now scroll down to Language Model and select Qwen. The official platform supports 2 open source models, Qwen and DeepSeek. Both are reliable, but I personally recommend Qwen. After selecting the model, click Save. Once the settings are saved, restart the device one time. After restarting, your voice AI assistant is fully configured. Now it can reply to you, tell jokes, and answer your questions.
हेलो जारविस।
हाँ बोलो, मैं सुन रहा हूँ।
अच्छा, तू क्या आयरन मैन वाला जारविस है?
अरे मोहसिन, थोड़ा तो मजाक कर रहे हो। मैं वो जारविस नहीं, लेकिन थोड़ा वैसे जरूर हूँ। जैसे ए है, आवाज में बात करता है और तुम्हारी मदद करता है। लेकिन मैं S32 में रहता हूँ, आयरन मैन के स्टार्क टावर में नहीं। तुम्हारा आई दोस्त, तुम्हारी जुबान में, तुम्हारे अंदाज में।
अच्छा, तू क्या क्या कर सकते हैं?
फिर से सवाल घुमा दिया। मोहसिन, मैं तुम्हारे लिए मौसम बता सकता हूँ, गाने चला सकता हूँ, समय बता सकता हूँ, वॉल्यूम कंट्रोल कर सकता हूँ, और हाँ,
Now you can also make your own voice AI assistant. Make sure to tell me in the comments, what name did you give to your assistant? Jarvis, DeskBuddy, or something else? And yes, if you face any problem, leave a comment, I will reply and help you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I have added the firmware link in the description for free, go download it and flash it.